ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः। अर्जुन उवाच एवं सततयुक्ता ये भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तम् तेषां के योगवित्तमाः। अर्जुन उवाच said, एवं thus satata ever or always, yuktaha steadfast or engaged in, ye those who, bhaktaha devotees, tvam you, paryupasate worship, serve or contemplate, ye those who, cha and api again, aksharam imperishable, avyaktam unmanifest or formless, tesham among them, ke who, yoga with tamaha the best knowers of yoga. Shri Bhagavanuvacha मय्यावेश्य मनो ये माम् नित्ययुक्ता उपासते श्रद्धया परयोपेताः ते मे युक्ततमा मताः। Shri Bhagavan, the Supreme Lord, Uvacha said, Mayi, on me, Aveshya, fix, Manaha, mind, Ye, those who, Mam, me, Nitya, ever, Yuktaha, steadfast, Upasate, worship or serve, Shraddhaya, with faith or sincerity, Paraya, highest, Upetaha, endowed, Te, they, Me, by me, Yukta Tamaha, best yogis, Mataha, are considered. Ye tvaksharamanirdesyam avyaktam paryupasate sarvatra gamachintyancha कूटस्थमचलं ध्रुवम्। Ye, those who, tu, but, aksharam, the imperishable, anirdeshyam, the indefinable, avyaktam, the unmanifest, paryupasate, worship or contemplate, sarvatra gam, the all-pervading, achintyam, the inconceivable, cha, also, kuta stham, the unchangeable, achalam, the immovable, dhruvam, the permanent. सन्नियम्येन्द्रियग्रामम् सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रताः। Sanniyamya, having controlled, Indriya Gramam, group of the senses, Sarvatra, everywhere, Samabuddhayaha, even-minded, Te, they, Prapnuvanti, attain, Mam, me, Eva, certainly, Sarva Bhuta Hite, in the welfare of all beings, Rataha, engaged. God can be realized in multiple ways by those who seek Him. The devout ones, steadfast in their worship of God, are very dear to Him. Others, who engage in selfless service and sincerely seek the formless Brahman, the absolute truth, which is eternal, all-pervading, immanent and unchanging, also attain Him. Arjuna asked, among those devotees who ever steadfastly contemplate on you with form, and those who contemplate on the formless imperishable, who among them are the best knowers of yoga? The Supreme Lord said, those who fix their minds on me, ever steadfast and serving me with highest Shraddha, such ones I consider to be the best of yogis. But those who contemplate on the imperishable, the indefinable, the unmanifest, the all-pervading, the inconceivable, the unchangeable, the immovable, the permanent, having controlled the group of the senses, even-minded everywhere and engaged in the welfare of all beings, they will also certainly attain me. Arjuna uvacha evam satatayuktaye bhaktastvam paryupasate ye chapyaksharamavvyaktam teshanke yoga vittamaha. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Mayyāveshya mano ye mam nityayukta upasate shraddhaya parayopetah te me yuktatamāmatah. Ye tvaksharamanirdesyam avyaktam paryupasate sarvatra gamachintyancha kūtasthamachalam dhruvam. Sanniyamyendriyagramam सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रताः. ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः. अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः. अर्जुन उवाच एवं सततयुक्ताये भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तम् तेषां के योगवित्तमाः. श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यावेश्य मनो ये मां नित्ययुक्ता उपासते श्रद्धया परयोपेताः ते मे युक्ततमा मताः। ये त्वक्षरमनिर्देश्यम् अव्यक्तं पर्युपासते सर्वत्र गमचिन्त्यं च कूटस्थमचलं ध्रुवम्। सन्नियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रताः। क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिरवाप्यते। क्लेशः difficulties, adhikatarah are greater, tesham of those, avyakta the unmanifest, asakta set on, chetasam whose minds are, avyakta the unmanifested, he indeed or because, gatihi path or progress, dukham very hard, dehavadbhihi for the embodied, avapyate is reached. ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते। ये those who, tu however, sarvani all, karmani actions, mai to me, sannyasya dedicating, matparaha having me as the supreme goal, ananyena by undivided, eva certainly, yogena by yoga or devotion, mam me, dhyayantah meditating upon, upasate worship or serve. तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्। Tesham for them, aham I, samuddharta deliverer, mrityu samsara, the cycles of birth and death, sagarat, from the ocean of, bhavami, I become, na chirat, not after a long time or swift, partha, O Arjuna, the son of Pritha, mayi, in me, aveshita, are absorbed, chetasam, of those whose minds. Mayyeva mana adhatsva, mayi buddhin niveshaya, nivasishyasi mayyeva, ata urdhvanna samshayaha. Mayi, on me, eva, exclusively, manaha, mind, adhatsva, fix, mayi, to me, buddhim, intellect, niveshaya, place or surrender, nivasishyasi, you shall always live, mayi, in me, eva, alone or certainly, atah urdhvam, hereafter, na, no, samshayaha, doubt. God bestows His grace upon those devoted to Him in both the form and formless aspects. However, perceiving a formless aspect of God is difficult for man who leads his whole life associating with names and forms. For such devotees, the path to God realization is being single-pointedly devoted to God, completely surrendering to His will and dedicating all their actions to Him. Greater are the difficulties of those whose minds are set on the unmanifest, because the path of contemplating on the unmanifested is very hard for the embodied humans to reach. However, those who dedicate all actions to me, have me as the supreme goal, meditate and serve me with undivided devotion, and whose minds are absorbed in me, O son of Pritha, for them I become the swift deliverer from the ocean of the cycles of birth and death. Fix your mind exclusively on me and surrender your intellect to me. Hereafter, undoubtedly, you shall always live in me alone. Kleshodhikatarastesham avyaktasaktachetasam avyakta hi gatir dukkham dehavadbhiravapyate. ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते. तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्. मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वन्न संशयः. ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ 12ोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः। क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिरवाप्यते। ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते। तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्। मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वन्न संशयः। अथ चित्तं समाधातुम् न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय। अथ if chittam mind samadhatum to fix na shaknoshi you are unable mayi on me sthiram steadily abhyasa yogena by the yoga of constant practice tatah then mam me ichha seek aptum to reach dhananjaya O Arjuna the winner of wealth. अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव। मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि। Abhyase in Abhyasa Yoga or constant practice. Api if or also. Asamarthaha unable to. Asi you are. Mat karma paramaha dedicate all actions to me. Bhava be. Mat artham for my sake. Api even or also. Karmani all actions. Kurvan performing. Siddhim perfection. Avapsyasi you shall attain. Athai tadapyashaktosi कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्मफलत्यागम् ततः कुरु यतात्मवान्। अथ, if etat, this, api, even or also, ashaktah, unable, asi, you are, kartum, to do, mat, to me, yogam, with devotion, ashritah, taking refuge, sarva, all, karma, actions, phala, fruit, tyagam, renunciation, tatah, then, kuru, do, yata atmavan, self-controlled. Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasat jnanadhyanam vishishyate ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागात् शान्तिरनन्तरम्। Shreyah, better, he, indeed, or because, Jnanam, knowledge, Abhyasat, than practice, Jnanat, than knowledge, Dhyanam, meditation, Vishishyate, superior, Dhyanat, than meditation, Karma phala, fruit of actions, Tyagah, renunciation, Tyagat, after renunciation, Shantihi, peace, Anantaram, immediately follows. Steadfast devotion to God is the ultimate sadhana, but most seekers cannot achieve this. Alternately, by selflessly performing actions for God's sake, one can steady the mind and attain Him. If even this is not possible, a devotee can achieve peace and eventually attain God by surrendering the fruits of his actions to Him. The path of renunciation is said to be most beneficial for God realization. If you are unable to fix your mind steadily on me, O the winner of wealth, then seek to reach me by the yoga of constant practice of withdrawing the mind and fixing it on a particular object. If you are unable to practice Abhyasa Yoga, then dedicate all actions to me. You shall also attain perfection by performing all actions for my sake. If you are unable to do even this, then taking refuge in me with devotion, renounce the fruits of all actions and be self-controlled. Knowledge is better than blind practice. Meditation with knowledge is better than mere knowledge. Renunciation of the fruits of actions is superior to meditation, for peace follows immediately after such renunciation. Atha chittam samadhatum na shaknoshi mayi sthiram abhyasa yogena tato mamichhaptum dhananjaya. Abhyasepya samarthosi matkarma paramo bhava madarthamapi karmani kurvan siddhimavapsyasi. अथैतदप्यशक्तोऽसि कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्मफलत्यागं ततः कुरु यतात्मवान्। श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागाच्छान्तिरनन्तरम्। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः। अथ चित्तं समाधातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय। अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि। अथैतदप्यशक्तोऽसि कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्मफलत्यागं ततः कुरु यतात्मवान्। श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाध्यानं विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागाच्छान्तिरनन्तरम्। अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी। Adveshta has no hatred, Sarvabhutanam toward all beings, Maitraha friendly, Karunaha compassionate, Eva indeed, Cha and Nirmamaha free from the feelings of mind or attachment, Nirahankaraha free from the feelings of I or egoism, Sama equal-minded, Dukkha pain, Sukha pleasure, Kshami forbearing or forgiving. Santushtas satatam yogi यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। Santushtaha, contented, Satatam, always or ever, Yogi, study in devotion or contemplation, Yata Atma, self-controlled, Dridha, firm, Nishchayaha, with determination, Mai, to me, Arpita, dedicated or fixed, Manaha, mind, Buddhihi, intellect, Yaha, one who, Mat Bhaktaha, devotee of mine, Saha, such a one, Me, to me, Priyaha, dear. Yasmanno dvijate loko lokanno dvijate chayaha harsha bhayodvegaihi mukto yassa cha me priyaha. Yasmat, by whom, na, not, udvijate, agitated or afflicted, lokaha, world or people, lokat, by the world or people, na, not, udvijate, agitated or disturbed, cha, and yaha, one who, harsha, joy, amarsha, distress, bhaya, fear, udvegaihi, anxiety, muktaha, free, yaha, who, saha, such a one, cha, and me, to me, priyaha, dear. Anapeksha shuchir daksha udasino gatavyathaha sarvarambha parityagi yo madbhaktas same priyaha. Anapekshaha, indifferent or desireless, shuchihi, pure, dakshaha, skillful or capable, udasinaha, unconcerned or detached, gatavyathaha, untroubled, sarva arambha, the sense of doership or initiation of all undertakings, parityagi, renounced, yaha, one who, mat bhaktaha, devoted to me, saha, such a one, me, to me, priyaha, dear. The Lord's dear ones are deeply devoted and dedicated to Him. They see Him in all and relate to everyone without malice and hatred. Being completely God-centered, they are pure externally and internally, equanimous, desireless, self-controlled, and devoid of ego and worldly attachments. Being fearless and of free spirit, they courageously face problems in life. One who has no hatred toward all beings and indeed friendly and compassionate to all, free from the feelings of I and mine, equal-minded in both pain and pleasure, forgiving, always contented, steady in contemplation, self-controlled, possessed of firm determination, with the mind and intellect dedicated to me, such a devotee of mine is dear to me. One by whom the world does not get agitated, and one who also does not get agitated by the world, who is free from joy, distress, fear and anxiety, such a one is dear to me. One who is desireless, pure, capable, detached, untroubled and renounced of all sense of doership, such a one who is devoted to me is dear to me. Adveshta sarvabhutanam maitrah karuna evacha nirmamo nirahankaraha samadukha sukha kshami. Santushta satatam yogi yatatma dridha nischayaha mayyarpita mano buddhihi yo madbhaktas same priyaha. Yasmanno dvijate loko lokanno dvijate chayaha harshamarša bhayodvegaihi mukto yassa cha me priyaha. Anapeksha shuchirdaksha udasino gatavyathaha sarvarambha parityagi yo madbhaktas same priyaha. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः। अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी। सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोको लोकान्नो द्विजते च यः हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैः मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः। अनपेक्षः शुचिर्दक्षः उदासीनो गतव्यथः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभपरित्यागी भक्तिमान्यः स मे प्रियः। यह one who na neither hrishyati rejoices na nor dveshti hates na nor shochati grieves na nor kankshati desires shubha good or auspicious ashubha evil or inauspicious parityagi renounced bhaktiman full of love or devotion, yah, who, sah, that person, me, to me, priyah, dear. समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समसंगविवर्जितः। समः equal, shatrau foe, cha and mitre to friend, cha and tatha so also, mana honor, apamanayoh in dishonor, shita cold, ushna heat, sukha happiness, dukkheshu in distress, samaha equipoised, sanga vivarjitaha free from attachment or association. Tulya nindastutir mauni संतुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः। Tulya equal, ninda blame or defamation, stutihi praise, mauni who is silent, santushtah contented, yena kenachit by whatever comes, aniketah has no residence, sthira steady, matihi mind, intellect or determination, bhaktiman full of devotion, me to me, priyah dear, narah person. ये तु धर्मामृतमिदम् यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धाना मत्परमा भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः। ये those who, tu indeed, dharma law or wisdom, amritam immortal, idam this, yatha as, uktam declared, paryupasate completely engaged in, shraddha dhanaha with faith or sincerity, mat paramaha taking me as the supreme or everything, bhaktaha devoted, te such ones, ativa exceedingly, me to me, priyaha dear. Being of equanimous disposition, the ones most dear to the Lord neither exult nor despair in the face of pleasure, pain, loss or gain. Their intellect is firmly fixed on God. They are untouched by praise or censure and relate to friends and foes alike. Being constantly in good company, they are ever content, meditative and devoid of worldly attachments. one who neither rejoices, hates, grieves, nor desires, is renounced of both auspicious and inauspicious, and is full of love, such a one is dear to me. One who is equal to friend and foe, equipoised in honor and dishonor, cold and heat, happiness and distress, free from unnecessary association, who is equal in both praise and blame, who is silent, contented with whatever comes, has no attachment to residence, steady-minded and full of devotion, such a person is dear to me. And indeed, those who completely engage in this immortal dharma as declared with faith and sincerity, taking me as everything and devoted to me, such ones are exceedingly dear to me. Yo na hrishyati na dveshti, na shochati na kankshati, shubha shubha parityagi, bhaktimanya same priyaha. Samashatrau cha mitre cha tatha manapamanayoh shitoshna sukha dukkeshu samasanga vivarjitaha. Tulya nindastutir mauni संतुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः. ये तु धर्मामृतमिदं यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धाना मत्परमा भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः. ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे भक्तियोगो नाम 12ोऽध्यायः. श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु.